Hi everyone, I'm Jade and I'm one of the librarians here at the Leeper Library. Today I'm going to show you how you can access our ebook service through your mobile device. First things first, you need to go to your Play Store or whatever the equivalent is on an iPhone and type in Wheeler's Books. There we go, Wheeler's eBooks, sorry. The one that you want is the third option, so that's called ePlatform by Wheelers, and click on Install. So once it has finished downloading, open up the app. You'll be prompted straight away to find your library. So in our case, we'll press that button and type in Trinity College. Ah, look, I don't even have to type the whole thing, it's already there up the top. Trinity College, University of Melbourne, Victoria. Once you find our college, then you can start browsing straight from the home screen. The librarians here have been really helpful and curated a couple of collections for you already. Or you can click in the search bar up the top and type in the book that you want to read. Oh, Prisoner of Azkaban. That's my favorite Harry Potter. Okay, once you've selected your book, you'll see a sign in button. This is where you will use your single sign in to access the ebooks. So the same email and password that you use to access anything else here at Trinity College. Once you have signed in, then you can access the book. Look inside is a preview of the book, so you can see if you'd want to borrow it or not. It looks like the book I've chosen though is already on loan, so somebody else has it. If this happens, then you can click on the blue reserve button and you'll be notified when the book is returned, so then you can borrow it. And when you put a book on reserve, then it goes into your reserve list. So I can see right now that I have one book reserved under my account. And that is how you access our ebook service on a mobile device. Do remember that when you are finished with the book to hit the return button. This makes sure that the book is available for anyone else to borrow after you. Alright, thanks for joining me today everyone. I hope this has been helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, just come and ask any of us in the library.